Massively too soon, the tart could end up with a soggy bottom. Something special for the midterm, but is struggling to know where to start.
I'm supposed to be doing something with this. I have no clue what that even is. It's like so we just keep our fingers crossed.
It may be simple to her, but Marianne hasn't told Andre when to take the liver out of the oven, and it's now at risk of overcooking. Andre's not the only one whose liver's in peril. I'm sorry.